name is Carlos Valles, and I'm going to give you just a little snippet about the month of Cheshvan, which is the month of the flood. I've heard too many preachers many times over and over say Noah was inside the ark with his family and a bunch of animals just floating around. And I started reading more into it, and I knew that God had a personal, more close relationship than that. If you read closely and you really study in the Hebrew and the Greek, you see that God said, come into the ark. That implies that God just didn't come, send him inside, shut the door, and push the ark and let it go float. This implies that he was saying, come from the inside. God was with Noah inside the ark the entire time. As the ark was coming through all the geysers, all the floods, all the storms, waters from the firmaments coming up, gushing down, all the torment. This is a picture of the ark was Jesus getting the stripes. By his stripes were healed, but yet inside the ark, they were safe. Many people say, well, we're going to hang on to outside the ark until he comes and saves us. There's no need for that. There is rest. Noach means rest. He was inside the ark with him. People also come and say, but this says that God remembered Noah. All this means is the same thing of his creation. What did God tell Noah when he came out of the ark? Same thing he told Adam. Be fruitful and multiply. Go on. That's his remembrance. With him, it's like if you and I share together a dinner, or we're sharing together some time on the sofa, watching TV, a football game, what have you. And finally, oh, I remember. It's time for me to start doing my job. That's how close Jesus Christ is with us. That's how close he wants our fellowship. But God remembered Noah and remembered, oh, creation of man, I must continue doing this. Also look at, very interestingly, down the verses, as you can keep everything in context, as you continue to read it. He then said, go forth. Again, he's not outside, he's inside. Go forth. Go forth. With the animals, go forth. And all this came as a time of sacrifice. God is always with us today, folks. So I hope this snippet blesses you, and I hope you consider the love he has for us.